How to see if someone viewed your profile in Roblox. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you that if we can see whether we can see if someone viewed our profile in Roblox or not. So let's find out. So first thing, simply open up your Roblox application and make sure you have successfully logged into your account. And once you're inside here, as you can see, you can click on your avatar to change your avatar, but that's not what we want. So let me just come back and again click on this other options. So as you can see, when I click on more, there are these options, and once I click on settings, you can see there is no see option to see whether if someone viewed your profile in Roblox. So when I even click on this more settings option over here, and once again click on this profile, and as you can see, when you see it on a PC version, you can see who requested you to join to be your friend by simply heading over to this friends section. So let me just show you by simply heading over to this friends section. So if the friends who had sent you if the person who had sent you the friend request over here, that means they have surely checked out your profile. That's why they sent you. So other than that, there is no any other option to actually see who viewed your profile in Roblox. So hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.